Hey everyone, welcome to Code Harmony. Today we are going to solve this LeetCode problem 2942. Find words containing character. Let's have a look on the problem statement. You are given a zero index array of strings, words, and a character X. So we are given two input. First one is words array, and this is going to contain a couple of words, and apart from that, second one is just a character. And what we have to return is return an array of indices representing the words that contain the character. Just return the array containing the indices of these words. Whatever word is going to have this character inside it. So this is something we have to return. That the return array may be in any order. Okay. So this is just the problem statement that given array is of string, and from this string array whatever word is going to contain this character, just capture the index of that. So let's say in this case, in the second example, the X is a, character is a. First word containing a, so it is 0. Second does not contain, third contain a, so it is 2. 2 is captured. Fourth one does not contain a, so the answer is going to have two indices, index 0 and index 2. So this is something we have to do. So how do? We can iterate, we can do the traversal over this words array, and we can check for every single word. See, we definitely have to check the word, because we can't say without checking a word that whether the character is present or not. So at least we have to go through every single word. Okay, and in every single word, what do I do to check the character? And to check the character, let's say this character is present in the string or not. For that, there is a function named indexOf. IndexOf a specific character inside a string. Let's say this is string dot indexOf. So what this function is going to return, we can check the Java doc for that. So just search for string Java doc, and in the string Java doc, if you just search for indexOf, you will see couple of functions implemented already for string class. And let's check this indexOf. This function is taking this character, but this character it is taking in the integer form, so it will just consider the ASCII. And what it is returning an integer value. And what is this? The index of the first occurrence. But if it is not present, then it is -1. So here we can utilize the same logic, index of a specific character. If it is returning -1, it means that this character is not present. If character is not present, don't capture the index. If it is not equal to -1, then capture index. So this is something we have to do. So given input is string array, character, and list of integer we need to return. So let's start writing the code for this. List of integer result is equal to new array list. Now my empty list is ready, and in this list I am going to capture every single index, and after that in the end I will be returning that list. As I need to capture the index, so I will be using a for loop. Int I equal to 0, I less than words dot length I plus plus. Whether this index word, so word at this index is words of I, index of a specific character in this word. So this function I am using, utility function from string class. If this function call is not returning -1, it means that this word contain this character. If the word contain this character, just capture this index result dot add I. If it is equal to -1, then we are not doing anything. In the end, we have captured every single character. And now if I run it over sample test cases are working fine. And now if I submit it, it got submitted successfully. I hope you understood the problem. It was a pretty easy problem on string. And in the constraints, X is going to be a lowercase English letter, and the words of I contains only lowercase English letter, but nothing to worry about that. Words dot length, the length is going till 50, and every word length is also going till 50. So in the worst case, our time complexity will go word dot length, that is, let's say n, and length of every single word, let's say on average it is m, so it's n cross m time. And what about space? Space is no space is required apart from this one, just to capture the answer. That's all we have to do. And okay, I hope you understood it. Thank you guys. In case you get any doubt, you can comment down below. Bye bye.